What's gonna happen? You see the Mystery Machine falling back a little bit. Oh, it hits the wall, it flips, and it's out of here. That's it for the race. Let's get a replay of that. Mystery Machine can't keep up, tries a last second pit, misses, hits the wall, goes tumbling and flying off into oblivion. Man, what a race. That was chaotic. Boom, roll, bam, ejecting Shag and Scoob out of the windows. Their race is over.